In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily put a story on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Let's get started. First off, open up the Instagram app. And then to start creating a story, we can just swipe to the right, and that will activate story mode. Then we can just take a picture of something by typing right here. Let me take a picture of my keyboard. Also, if we would like to add some picture from our camera roll that was taken before, we can just stop right there at that icon, and then select a picture or video from our camera roll. Just like that. Then we can scale it. We can move it around in this way. And on the next step, we'll be able to add some filters, effects, stickers, or maybe some text to that story. If you would like to add a text, we need to tap right here, and then just enter a text. We can change the text font, text size by dragging it up or down. Also, we can change the text background. And also we can add some animation to our text by activating that option. If we tap right here, we'll be able to change the text color. Let me add a background. I like text with background more. And then by typing right here, we can change the alignment. Then we can also move it around within this screen. And also, if we would like, we can resize it in that simple way. Then let me show you how we can easily add stickers. To add a sticker, top right here, add stickers icon. And that's where we can find some stickers. Let's say I would like to mention someone. We can find mention stickers here. Then once you have selected a sticker, just start typing someone's username. Once you find a user you would like to mention, just tap on it. And then place that sticker somewhere on your story. In the same way, if we tap at these stars, we'll be able to add some effect to our story like that one. Or also, we can choose any effects from that bar. Once we are done with that, to save the changes, tap it. Then also we can draw something. Here to activate the draw feature, tap right here at 3 dots. Then tap at draw. Select tool. Let it be the first one. Then we can also select the color. And then in this way, we can draw something on our story just like that. To save it, tap it down. Once you are happy with the result, and to continue, and to share your story, tap right here. After that, if you tap right here, you will be able to see your story that you have just posted. That's how you can easily put a story on Instagram. I hope this video helps you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description.